Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you remove your primary email in Facebook, or maybe you want to change it with another email or another phone number if you want, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you in a very easy method how can you do that. Just follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, let's head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what mobile device you're using, and from there all you need to do is to wait for it to load up and then search for Facebook. From these search results, tap on Facebook and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can quit the app. Now let's go ahead and open your Facebook. Make sure you are logged in and then head out to the menu by tapping the profile picture in the top right corner. And then from here, all you need to do is to tap on the gear icon in the top right. Again, this time to go to settings. From settings, head out to Account Center by tapping right here. From Account Center, you need to tap on personal details right there. And here you can find the contact info in the top. That's where you want to tap right now. So tap on contact info. You'll find all of your emails right here. So if you have one email and you want to maybe remove it, you cannot do that without adding another one or another phone number. So in order to remove your primary email, you can tap on add new contact in the bottom right here. And then from here, choose to add a phone number or an email. So choose anyone you want. I'm gonna choose an email. From here, choose the email or write it down and tap on next in the bottom, and then continue from there. Once you add it, you can tap on your primary email that you want to remove and then tap on delete email right here. And from here, it's very easy. Just tap on delete and the primary email will be removed successfully from your account. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.